Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Lenny. Welcome back to the channel. I've got Eric here with me. Can't see him very well. Here we go.
Yo.
Bright, it's bright.
Very bright.
Also, guys, we got a new little light here. It's adjustable as well as in temperature. It's pretty cool. I'm really digging this light. But yeah, so today I've got some special things here. Eric's actually brought over a package that we got delivered to Lacey here, and we also have some very beautiful food for lunch here. Look at that. Some super duper teriyaki going. And, ooh, what's this? What's this? Cone filter? And pipe for our short ram intake here. So yeah, got the clamps and all of the, what are they called? Silicone sleeves? Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install that at some point. Oh, that's gonna happen in this video, so let's do it. Ooh, listen to her purr. Yeah, guys, so we're heading over to the empty part of the lot over there so we can work on the Accord. We're gonna put this intake in, take out the old one, and, you know, see what kind of difference it makes. Let's do it. All right, so I've got some tools in the trunk here. As always, they're just sitting here, and we're gonna get right to it.
I don't know where your latch is.
Struggling. All right, let's see.
I found it. I found it. Just took me a second.
Yeah. So this big ass stock air box is coming out, and the new one is going in. Alrighty, so we've taken off the connection to the intake here, this box. The filter's out as well. A little dirty. As you can see, there's some rocks in there. Yeah, there's a lot in there. That's the battery cover. And yeah, we're gonna take out this piece, and then I really want to relocate the battery at some point, so we'll see what's up, but not today. We'll do that some other time. But we're gonna take out this piece, by removing this bolt, and then this whole thing should come out. Alrighty, it's gone. Makes so much space. Yeah, just gonna have to move some of these wires around. These are for the fog lights that we custom installed. You guys saw that video. If you didn't, make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. It will be linked in one of these corners above, so make sure you guys go ahead and watch that video. But yeah, so back to this. Time to put that in. This I got on eBay. But nice big cone filter. It's gonna sit right there. Woohoo! Let's do it. We have finished placing the intake in. It looks pretty good to me. Woo! Look at that. Compared to this big stock air box right here, that's a lot of weight savings too. So weight reduction. With this build, I'm gonna need all the weight savings I can get because, you know, wheels, rotational mass, very heavy, and other components that we've added as well. But let's go ahead and start her up and see how she sounds.
That sounds good, dude.
Nice. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and take this for a spin. Before we can drive the car and test drive it and make some cool intake sounds. What the fuck was that?
Sick.
But we have to go grab some hose and hose clamps from AutoZone real quick so that we can fix that just in case we get a vacuum leak there. Hopefully not, but I just want to make sure anyway, so we're gonna go grab that right now, and then we can run it pretty hard. Let's do it. All right, what are we looking for? We're looking for some... No. Nice, we have our hose clamps now so that we can make sure that those are secure. Those will be nice and tight, and we can secure them down by using the flathead screwdriver. So guys, after driving the car, I have definitely felt a difference. It's definitely a lot torquier, and wow, I think it makes it definite difference, the short ram intake. I think if you guys are going to go ahead and get something that's on the cheaper end of things, that will definitely improve a little bit of torque, and potentially like those minimal horsepower gains, but definitely, you know, improves the airflow. It gives you space in your engine bay. But if you guys are gonna go ahead and run this setup in a place where it rains a lot, you might want to consider getting a hydrophobic shield as well to go over the top. I'm actually ordering one real quick here because I realized that there's no fender liner anymore, and I cannot really get the water out of there unless I have something protecting my intake. I should, in theory, build a little water shield, like kind of like the same tray layout where it's just kind of like a square around it, but we might have to do that at some point. I just don't have resources to do that here up at the apartment right now, but hopefully I'll be moving home soon so that I will have the garage, and then we'll have all of our parts there too, so that'll be super nice. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you want to see more Accord content, I've got the UCA install that we just did, that's coming out pretty soon here, and a couple other things, so that'll be nice. I just ordered a test pipe as well, and I've been mocking up some really cool secret little project things on the side while I'm doing school here. So sorry for the lack of content lately. It's kind of spread out, but we are still working on the car, and it's getting into winter season, so hopefully we'll be able to still work on it, but it is getting pretty dark outside pretty quickly, and my schedule just doesn't really allow for me to work on the car just during the day, so we'll see how that goes. I'm really hoping I can put a couple more projects in motion though. I do have the rear end molding to do still, and I figured out a solution for how I want to build that out, so hopefully I get to show you guys my vision for that pretty soon, and we'll be able to talk it out. But I guess as a little hint, there's that roll, that white roll right there, and that is the material that I am prototyping off of to do the rear mold of the wide body. So keep tuned, subscribe, make sure you have that notification turned on so you know when I drop the next video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.